Hi beautiful peeps, what's up, wagwan? So yes guys, good morning world. And a snow time. So this time of the year I always go for a walk, and I'm gonna take you along with me. All right, so before I head out, it's just a day in my life when the snow start to fall and when the time look like that. I guess everything okay. So guys, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna have a snack before I go, and I'm gonna go for a walk, and then I'm gonna take you along with me. So a day in your girl life. Let's go. My breakfast. So I'm having a cracker. It's a rice cracker, and this one is the one with honey or maple syrup, something like that. And I'm having my green smoothie. And this one has Irish moss and bladderwrack and spinach and apple, pineapple, and a little bit of soy. All right guys, so before I head out, I'm just going to show you what I'm going to be drinking. I think if you look closely, you can see me through that mirror over there. Yeah. So good. That never been out so good. All right guys, and then my cracker, and then we're gonna go on the road. Let me say one piece of snow fall out there, you see guys. All right, let's go. All right guys, we're going on the road, and I'm gonna keep my mask on. Okay, so we're just gonna go for a quick walk, and then I'll come back. So look at my flowers. Look what the snow did to my plant. Rip it out, like so heavy on it guys, make it so heavy, it's like it's gonna break. That's my smoothie right there guys. Okay. Oh my goodness, look at that. And the next one over here guys, look how heavy. Oh my goodness, breaking it down. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Welcome to Canada. Can you see that guys? And I'm gonna show you more, okay guys? Wait, don't blow me. Oh yeah. Look up top guys. It's falling on you. Oh, okay, let me take you over here, and then we're gonna go through the bush. I'm just gonna show you the trees. This is just in the back guys. Look at that. I always like to do this. Can you see that guys? Yeah. Wow. Look at that. Can you see that? Whew, so beautiful. All right guys, so basically that's it. I'm not going further. I'm just gonna I'm gonna take you over there guys. I want to take you over there, but it's a little river, it's a little stream. Guys, look at my car. Welcome to Canada. Look at the car guys. It started to melt now, so that's a good thing. It's beautiful. It's getting cold. ASMR in the snow. Guys, I'm going to show you a little bit in the bush. This is, I'm at the side of an apartment building. And I heard ducks, guys. I heard the ducks. Where they are? There they are, guys. Look, I see the ducks. Look, oh, yay. I see them. They're coming downstream, a whole heap of them. Hi, duckies. Hi, duckies. Sometimes they go upstream. Now they're going down. Oh my God, guys, if you see what's happening to me here. People passing. It's so beautiful, guys. I would just stay here if I had my mitten on and my hat. Hi, duckies. Hi. Ooh. They're playing. Oh, they're going in a circle. Isn't that cute? Hi, babies. This is nature, guys, but my hand them are freeze. I'm under the tree, guys, so the snow is falling on me. Ooh. Hi, babies. Hi. Hi, babies. Look at this, guys. Can you see? I'm not lying. Look at my wig. This is what happening to me here. Because I'm I'm under the trees, so the snow keeps coming down. Like, I'm just right behind the apartments. Oh, can you see what I'm talking about, guys? Did you see that? I look, you know, one wig with curls. Whoa, you're not flap out. So let me show you a 360 in the bush. Yeah, this is me. Isn't that beautiful? Where are my duckies at? There they are, my duckies. Hi, duckies. Hi, duckies. Ooh. Oh my goodness. I zip up my clothes real good so none go down in my shirt. I think they're going away. Bye. Okay, guys, let's walk a little bit more. Oh my goodness. A little bit of walk and that's it. Not too far, guys. Not too far. I just want you to see the beauty of Canada when it's cold, when it's snowing. It's really beautiful. Super beautiful. Look at me going for a walk. Oh my God. Let me show you my duckies. I'm at the main now, guys. 360. You can see. And there's cars passing, guys. Oh my God. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And car passing by, guys. My duckies, they're still there. I'm not gonna go far today because it's cold. It's cold, it's super cold, so I'm gonna go for a quick walk. And I didn't wear my mittens or my gloves, so I have to put one hand in my pocket and my battery says 20%. So I'm gonna go right there and then I'm gonna turn back. And this is just the entrance to the park and I'm gonna turn back. I'm not gonna go over there today. I don't think so. I don't know if I want to go there. Let me go a little bit in. It's just on the top this time, guys, so that's good. That's not too bad. Alright, guys, I'm gonna finish clean it. Dog barking.